In this video, you will learn how to combine the if and not function to perform a logical test. This is all you need to know about the functions. So in this scenario, we want to categorize the students with scores not greater than or equal to 60 as failed. So we go to the results column equals to if, then we introduce the not function. So we say if B5 is not greater than or equal to 60, close the bracket, that's our logical test, so that will be failed, comma, then if that is not met, that will be pass. Close the bracket, hit enter, and you can double click to copy the formula down. So we expect failed, and failed here because these scores are not greater than or equal to 60. Found this useful? Give it a thumbs up, follow for more.